How's everybody going? So I have everything on that I know of. I did new NGK spark plugs. I figured, you know what, I'm in here, might as well do it. It wasn't that much more, you know. They are like, I think they're like $6 or $8 a piece. I mean, it's not cheap. I also did Speed Engineering spark plug wires. The old ones, I may have been able to make them work. They were old. They're probably original to the truck, honestly. I've never changed them. I've had it for quite a while now. I ordered the 10-inch, or the 12-inch. I should have ordered the 10-inch. I ordered the original wires. They weren't right. Or they came in at 12 inches. But for first time in my life, actually, they was too long. I'm used to coming up short. So anyways, let me turn you around here and you can take a look. All right, this is the driver's side. Like I said, I ordered the Speed Engineering plug wires. I also ordered Speed Engineering's manifold bolts and gasket. The ones that come with the cheap eBay set, you can see them down there. They did not look good. I would either go with an OE style, like, you know, from the parts store, or GM one, or these. These seems really nice. You know, I'm not sure how the other ones would have worked. They didn't look great, so I decided, you know what, instead of having to swap it out later on, let's go ahead and get that changed. But anyways, let's see, take a look at the passenger side. Got the passenger side all buttoned up. That looks really good. It's a little dirty. I was kind of ripping out some old insulation that was hanging down. But anyways, let's see if this baby will fire. All right, here we go. Hey! Oh! All right, see how she sounds with no muffler. Oh. Not half bad. Double two-step. Oh, I love the way this thing sounds. Little two-step. All right, I got the exhaust on. Back on the way it was before headers anyway, so let's see what she sounds like. Oh yeah. That sounds good. It's pretty good. I'm pretty happy with that. All right, I'm sitting here making the video, or editing or whatever you want to call it. I realized I didn't film an outro. Overall, with the headers, I think I paid around $250 for them. Would I recommend them? Probably not. I would probably go ahead and say buy the Speed Engineering set. My brother bought a Speed Engineering set of headers for his 2017 Silverado. Granted, it's different body style, whatnot, but just the look, fitment, quality of it, it just seemed a lot better. I had to order different, exhaust bolts. I had to order new, gaskets for the manifolds. I had to dent the absolute crap out of both of them to get them to fit. If you're on a super tight budget, in the end, you're not going to be that much of a difference. I mean, probably $100, and for that price, I think you might as well just go ahead and buy the Speed Engineering. But anyways, just stop from rambling on. If you're just going to do, straight pipes out the bottom, not worry about a Y pipe, nothing like that, these headers would be alright. But if you're wanting to run Y pipe factory exhaust, get the Speed Engineering kit with the Y pipe. You're not going to have to, modify anything or beat it with a hammer to get it to fit. But it is what it is. I have contacted the eBay company about the fitment issues, and they are offering me a partial refund. I guess it's going to come out a little bit better, but the amount of time I spent trying to get these to fit, which I did not record because I was just so frustrated. I spent probably a good 2 hours just beating the crap out of them, putting them on, not fitting, taking it back off, beat the crap out of it, and it's just not. I just don't think it's worth it still. But anyways, I got an aftermarket aluminum radiator coming for the truck. I got a drive shaft safety loop for the truck from Speed Engineering as well. I'm trying to think if there's anything else. But anyways, I'll be doing videos on those here soon. And as a reminder for my first 100 followers, I will be doing a giveaway. I'm going to do a $15, $20 e-gift card to your email for your choice. I don't care. Starbucks, if you're a lady, Jegs, Summit, anything. It's gonna be your choice. But anyways, it doesn't seem like much for the follow or the like, but it really does mean a lot to me if you do. I mean, if you didn't like it, dislike it. I know this wasn't the best video because I didn't film a lot of it. I had a lot of issues. It took me 4 or 5 times to record this video, just fighting with broken exhaust bolts, fitment issues, just stuff like that, waiting on parts. But anyways, y'all have a great Christmas, and I'll see y'all next time.